Hi everyone, this is Sophia from Foenix Studio. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to set up my digital planner for February 2023. As usual, I'm going to draw the cover art first. The theme for this month is the blend of two occasions, Lunar New Year and Valentine. I guess most people know this is the year of the rabbit, but in Vietnam, my birth country, this is the year of the cat. As the tradition, all regions in Vietnam had created many cat statues to celebrate this important time of the year. The statues' designs are variable from super cute, lovely, stylized, to somewhat weird. I was really fun to wait for the revealing of these designs, so I chose the cat for my cover art. However, I also like rabbits, hence I want to draw a cover art that could show this same but different culture. After several ideas, I decided to draw a cat cosplaying a rabbit and a rabbit cosplaying a cat. They are each wearing a headband representing the other. I think they look really cute. These two are the new characters that I am designing for the studio. These are not the official designs yet. I still need to finalize some details before making sticker sets or artworks. Soon I'm going to be done and I'm going to introduce them to everyone. Since February is also the month of Valentine, I changed the design so that Coral the cat is holding a heart instead of a gold bar, and I cut the bunny is presenting as a lucky cat. What do you think about the current design? Do you like them? Let me know in the comment section below. The cover arts are done. Now I'm going to bring them into my digital planner. This is going to be the simple cover pages, but I don't want them to be too plain, so I will add some decorations. I'm going to use the Valentine-themed sticker set I made last year. I really like this sticker set's pastel color scheme. It goes really well with Coral's black fur and Aika's pink fur. I did notice I chose the wrong mini calendar. This mini calendar starts on Sunday, while I am using the one starts on Monday. I know different areas use different start days, So the bonus calendar templates for all of my digital planner products always have two sets, one for Sunday start and one for Monday start. The new digital planner I am designing will also have two options for two different start days. Both cover pages are done. Next is the monthly page. I really like this idea of having the monthly and weekly templates already set up with the planner so that I would not feel discouraged facing a blank page whenever I am too busy to do any setup. I guess some of you would prefer having a fully set up digital planner with templates and decor than a blank one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. By the way, if you like this Valentine-themed sticker set, it is available on phoenixstudio.com for our website. There is a short period sale on both my Etsy shop and phoenixstudio.com. I said that I'm going to post more contents related to planning, productivity, etc., but I have not done so. The main reason is because I have been busy setting up my system using Obsidian app. I gave myself this first quarter to set up a basic structure for life, productivity, businesses, and knowledge management, such as this library in which contains the information and notes about books and movies I like. While I like to use digital planner for planning, I prefer using Obsidian to store notes and information that I could retrieve easily with different layouts in a short time. I also use Obsidian to set up project pages, which is still far from what I want. The current project page templates work fine for now, but I am researching and learning from other YouTubers to create a better workflow. In case you haven't heard about Obsidian, it's a note-taking app similar to Notion, but it's not as user-friendly and pretty as Notion. However, I chose Obsidian over Notion is because they store locally all files and folders in my PC, so it's more secure and private than using Notion, which is the cloud-based app. I have been trying to complete my system as soon as possible, and I can't wait to share it with you all. Of course, I am still using my digital planner mainly for planning and brainstorming. I will have a video explaining my hybrid planning and productivity system. let's have a final walkthrough of this February monthly setup. If you like the right cover page, it's available for free to download on phoenixstudio.com as well. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this February setup. I will see you all again soon. Bye now.